Hello guys and welcome to Easy Blender channel. Have you ever had this problem when you open a project? You see that texture are missing and everything colored pink. There are two reasons for that. The first reason is the picture that you used on your object is deleted from your computer. If reason is this, there's nothing you can do. You must choose a new texture for your object. And second reason is the file is moved to another folder. For the second reason, you must follow these steps. Choose File and External Data, and here find Missing Files. Click on that. And go to the folder that your pictures are moved in. For me, it's this folder. Click on Find Missing Files. And you see everything is fixed and files are in place. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just comment down below.